Hi, my name is L.VAMSI KRISHNA. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I am 2024 passed out student. I have completed my B.TECH in Hyderabad College of Engineering in the stream of CSE with aggregate of 82%. After completing my B.TECH, I joined in Jspiders in the month of November. In that, I taken a course called as Java Full Stack. In this course, Core Java and Advanced Java is taught by Prem sir, and SQL is taught by Raman sir, and web technology like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These concepts are taught by Geethan. And then this trainer's teaching is very good to enhancing my skills in those subjects. They were conducting mock interviews and grooming sessions. These are very helpful to get recall about the subjects and very good knowledge about the subjects. And later, my trainers kept mock interviews and presentation sessions. In these sections, we are getting so much of communication skills. By the mock interviews, we are getting the confidence about the interview. We can perform very well in the interview.